Today we'll be presenting our project on igneous rocks, brought to you by PBS Broadcasting. So our first subject is going to be how they are formed. In essence, igneous rocks are formed through the cooling and solidification of magma. As hot molten rock rises to the surface, it undergoes changes in temperature and pressure that causes it to cool, solidify, and crystallize. Altogether, there are over 700 known types of igneous rock, the majority of which are formed beneath the surface of the Earth's crust. However, some are also formed on the surface as a result of volcanic activity. Those that are formed beneath the surface of the Earth's crust are intrusive or plutonic rocks, while those that are formed on the surface are known as extrusive or volcanic rock. As plutonic rock is surrounded by pre-existing rock, the magma cools slowly, which results in it being coarse-grained, where the mineral grains are big enough to be identifiable with the naked eye. Compared to intrusive rock, extrusive rock cools and crystallizes at a much faster rate due to it being exposed to air or water, which results in it being fine-grained. In addition, there is also subvolcanic rock, a less common form of igneous rock that is formed within the Earth between plutonic and volcanic rocks. Our next subject is going to be the rock cycle. The rock cycle is a group of changes. Igneous rock can change into sedimentary rock or into metamorphic rock. The same can be said for sedimentary or metamorphic rocks, changing into the other two. Igneous rock forms when magma cools and makes crystals. Magma is a hot liquid made of melted minerals. The minerals can form crystals when they cool. Igneous rock can form underground, where the magma cools slowly, or above ground, where the magma cools quickly. When it pours on the surface, magma is called lava. Yes, the same liquid rock matter you see coming out of volcanoes. On Earth's surface, wind and water can break the rock into pieces. They can also carry rock pieces into another place. Usually the rock pieces called sediments drop from the wind or water to make a layer. The layer can be buried under other sediments, and after a long time, the sediments can be cemented together to make sedimentary rock. Our next slide is going to be economic importance. Some igneous rocks, such as granite, are used as expensive countertops and are used on buildings for facing stones. Also, pumice is used in hand soaps as a gritty type of material to add abrasive properties to the soap in order to increase effectiveness of the soap. Pumice can also be used to scrape away dead skin from your feet. Schist and gabbro are used for concrete and roads, often in the form of gravel, and many igneous rocks contain minerals that can be mined, such as rare diamonds and, more commonly found, tin. But what really matters is not igneous rocks. What really matters is you. #YouMatterBHS.